Bart's house. I was getting a rocker switch for a Coldwell little salad cooler. The rocker switch went bad on it, and I'm stoked because I just got a call, a no heat call for a package unit at a restaurant. So thank God it's not another prep table call. I thought I was stuck in prep table hell. I'm so happy. You got to see my face. I'm like, yeah, it's not a prep table. Finally. Man, I've been stuck in a prep table rut. So we got a no heat call. Let's go out there and see why it's not heating. There it is. Look at that. Oh, right at the sunset too. It's for a restaurant, so I got to go do it tonight. Hey, look at that, huh? Oh, get some. Hey, little crisscross. A Daddy Mac will make you. All right, there's the stat. Heat on, fan on auto. 68, rims at 63. All right, let's go on the roof and check the unit. See if we can get some heat in here. Here we are. It's still going to be the Bryant unit. Sun's going down. It's the one I fixed the coil on for the air conditioning call. I switched it to 407C. Now we have a no heat call, so let's dig in and see why it's not heating. This one's gas heat. Code here. Let it go around. All right, here we go. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I counted 8. 8 says internal fault. Internal fault. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I pulled the fuse off the circuit board, put it back in, and now I got a steady light. And that's with the I took the heating circuit off, and I'm gonna hook that back together and see what happens. Just hook that up, and I got inducer motor. Let's see if it'll get to sparking and arcing. Let's see, where's oh yeah, we got a centrifugal switch on this one, not a pressure switch. So, inducer's running. Pardon me. The centrifugal switch is made, but we're not sparking it. I'm looking closer at the circuit board, and I got these two kind of heated up here, but then I noticed this guy right here. Code. All right, there we go. Let's see what code we get now. That was a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is inducer draft fault, so it's not seeing my centrifugal switch. Let's check that out. Look, code 6, it's not seeing the inducer. So I want to check this Hall effect switch on the end of my inducer motor. So I'm going to unplug it from the board. I'm going to go from pins 1 and 3. And you should get somewhere between like 7 to 10 volts DC. I don't know if my meter's coming off. You can see it's jumping all over the place. I did get a good reading at one point. I think the board's a bit goofy, and I think the switch is bad, both. Take this connector off. I know that one's on good. Let me get this one on there. I'm going to unscrew this one real quick. Yeah, it's reading off a bit. See, it's kind of bouncing all over the joint. And then from 2 to 3, we should get in the 20s. Oh, it's DC, and I'm not getting that. Now, I think this resistor is feeding part of that. So, thinking, well, I know that board's toast for number 1, but I think I'm going to order the switch at the same time, just because I didn't like the way some of these are kind of crusty. Right in here. So I'll probably just change them both. And then back with these on there. be reading around 6 and getting a 0. I think I got a combination of the switch being goofy and that board's toast on this one. So I'm gonna order up some parts, so stay tuned and we'll see if we can get this. I'll see if those are in stock. That's Lakey Brothers tomorrow. We'll see how we make out. Just getting back, so if my memory serves me right, when you get that burned up resistor on that circuit board on those carriers, it's usually because the wires on that Hall effect sensor short out. So I made the right call when I stated when I was up on the roof, I'm going to replace the board and the Hall effect sensor. What'll happen is the wires on that sensor, I'm out here by the truck, my brain was thinking, the wires on the Hall effect sensor will short out. It'll take that resistor out on the circuit board. So if you just change the circuit board out, put power back to it, you'll pop the resistor on your new circuit board. So and I think it's that resistor number 30, I think it's 39. So you change your circuit board and your Hall effect sensor. And I'm gonna get those, see if they're in stock. When I get them, I'll do the follow-up video and we'll change them out. All right.